In this training, we're going to be looking at the use of the SSC system as a front desk or support staff member from a department, division, or unit. I'm logged in currently impersonating someone who has a typical professional front desk staff role assigned to them in the test site. You can tell it's their test site because it has a yellow sidebar here. If it has a green sidebar, you're in the live site. Anything you do in this site with the yellow sidebar goes to a dummy email account, and so you can't break anything, you won't email any students. If you see the green sidebar, you're in the live account, and any changes you make are real and can email actual students and staff. So you'll notice on your homepage here that there's not a whole lot of information. If you are a departmental support staff member or front desk staff member or office manager that has an assigned caseload because you also fulfill an advising role, then you might see students here. Otherwise, this is likely to be blank. If you're someone who in your role also has appointments like information sessions or intake or startup or appointments, you might see upcoming appointments if you use this to schedule. If you do use the system to schedule, you'll also need to set up availability. If you're someone who in your role sees students for appointments, you're also going to need to go through the SSC advisor training that's available through MyTracks. If that's not a part of your role, then this training should be the right fit. Other than the home page, you can also look at conversations if you decide to send emails through the system, a calendar if you use that. You can set reminders on students. These are only internal to the system. They don't link with Outlook. You can do advanced searches. You can keep lists and searches, which you can save if you need to. You can run reports, a few right now, as your office says, and change a few settings. You can also use this little search bar up here to search for an individual student. We recommend doing this by 9-5 number since that's going to get you a unique student. So if there's 2 Michael Smiths or 3 or 5, you know you have the right one using their 9-5 number. The main function that you'll use as a front desk staff member or office manager or someone scheduling appointments is going to be by going in this additional mode section here. You'll click that and then you'll go to the appointment center. After that, you'll choose the location or department or unit for which you're working. In the examples today, we're going to be looking at the Advising Undergraduate Studies Center since there's fake availability set up in the test site for that area. You'd click on that, and then you'll go into what is the actual scheduling or appointment center functions. Please know that on the test site, loading times take a lot longer than they do on the live site, and that's because it's not updated as often or as accurate. On the live site, we have Banner pulling every single night and refreshing and updating data, whereas on the test site, it's about once a term or less, so it can take a little bit longer. In the next videos, we'll actually talk about the different components of this appointment center.